Hi guys! Welcome to DC Travel and Lifestyle Vlogs. Andito po ngayon tayo sa NAIA Terminal 3 to experience PAG's Lounge. After po natin mag-check-in, pumila na po tayo sa immigration. It was an early flight at makikita nyo yung napakaluwag na immigration. Sobrang luwag ng pila, smooth. As in, this is the ideal way to travel. After natin maklear sa inspection, on the right side of NAIA, makikita nyo po yung airline lounge. Yeah, that airline lounge. Katapat siya ng 114. Gate 114, may elevator po dyan. Paakyat po. And then, voila, makikita nyo po dyan. Lounges to your right. And then there's this hallway papunta na sa PAG's. Actually, hindi naman ganun kalayo. And by the way, ito nga po pala yung upper deck or the top view kung saan makikita yung inspection area and immigration kung saan tayo nanggaling. And here are the participating cards para ma-avail mo yung pagstay mo sa PAG's or sa lounge ng free. Yan, Security Bank, Union Bank, what else? Metro Bank. Actually, madami. Yan din yung participating airlines. Aside from sa mga nabanggit, may mga AUB, BDO, BPI, at yan pa po mga cards po na yan in honor din dyan like BPI, BDO, American Express, Metro Bank, as I've said a while ago, RCBC, yan, napakarami, all kinds mostly of the major banks. And let's get inside. May full access na rin tayo sa food, though hindi naman ganun ka-great yung selection, but still, it's free and it is unlimited guys. They have also bread, they have like nachos, they have also, yeah, here, bread again, and may special dish or dish of the day. And syempre, hindi mawala, Chinese food. They also have siopaw and the siomai. Yeah, kita nyo naman, diba? Namanish ko namang matulog kasi nga hindi naman ganun karami yung tao at saka medyo tahimik. By the way, this place is napakalaki. This place is huge. Yan, you can also have coffee. At the same time, may mga cold drinks dyan like lemonade, iced tea, and the hard drinks. Walang kamatayang congee. Syempre, at nga pala, may ice cream dyan. Yan, there, ice cream. Sa mga screen, makikita mo yung flight mo kung malapit na, and then may CR rin, pwede ka mag-shower. Tiyatawag na nga pala yung flight ko. Yan, nagmamadali na ako palabas. And nga pala, before anything else, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, DC Travel and Lifestyle Vlogs.